I've had some pretty tough training sessions, been through some real fights in the cage. But none of that compares to the battles Jerry has helped me through. Every time life threw a punch, whether it was a heartbreak, losing my dad, or just one of those rough days, Jerry was always in my corner. Not saying she's my emotional support dog, but she might as well have a black belt in cuddling. Whenever I felt anxious or down, like I lost ground in life, she'd show up out of nowhere. Like, hey, I got you. No need to tap out just yet. Some people meditate, some go to therapy, but for me, it's all about my daily dose of cherry. I mean, who needs a life coach when you have a fluffy therapist that never charges and her advice is always a hug? She's seen me at my best, winning fights, crushing goals, but she has also seen me at my worst, sulking over breakups, losing my dad, and binge watching a way cheesy rom-com. And through it all, she's just been there reminding me to keep fighting, or at least get up and throw her a ball. So yeah, MMA has taught me a lot about strength, discipline, and perseverance. But Cherry, she's taught me about love, loyalty, and how to bounce back. She's my real MVP, my ride or die, the best teammate I could ever ask for.